As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter, be a brainy buyer.
Okay, so we're comparing these two propane grills, right? The ChuMaste and the Royal Gourmet. First impression, the ChuMaste looks bigger.
Definitely. The ChuMaste boasts a total cooking area of 464.8 square inches, while the Royal Gourmet only has 285. That's a significant difference if you're grilling for a crowd.
Yeah, good point. But the Royal Gourmet is way more portable, right? It's only about 17 pounds compared to the ChuMaste's hefty 52 pounds. Plus, it's got folding legs.
True. Portability is a major win for the Royal Gourmet. It's designed for camping and tailgating. The ChuMaste seems more geared towards backyard use, with those foldable side tables for prep space.
And the ChuMaste has 3 burners putting out 30,000 BTUs, while the Royal Gourmet only has 1 burner with 10,000 BTUs. So the ChuMaste should heat up faster and more evenly, right?
Theoretically, yes, but some Royal Gourmet customers mention issues with flame control and heat distribution, so maybe that single burner isn't as efficient as it could be. The flat burners on the ChuMaste might give more uniform heating.
What about materials? Both seem to be mostly stainless steel, but any differences there?
Both use stainless steel, but the Royal Gourmet highlights a stainless steel cooking grate and grease tray for easy cleanup. The ChuMaste also has a detachable oil collection cup. Easy cleaning is a plus for both.
Price-wise, the Royal Gourmet is cheaper at around $110, while the ChuMaste is closer to $170. So you're paying more for the larger cooking area and extra burners.
Exactly, and the Royal Gourmet is Amazon's choice with way more reviews, suggesting it's a popular pick.
Tough call. If you need something you can easily take on the go, the Royal Gourmet wins hands down. But if you're mostly grilling at home and need more space and power, the ChuMaste might be worth the extra cost.
I agree. It really depends on your grilling needs and priorities. Are you cooking for a family or just yourself? Do you value portability over cooking space? Those are the key questions.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.